Hello everyone. So today in this video we are going to discuss about your multiple choice questions related MCQs to temperature, abiotic factor, temperature. So coming to the first question is your animals which maintain a constant body temperature. Okay, whatever may be the surrounding temperature, those animals which can maintain a constant body temperature within some certain layer limits. Okay, those are known as which animals? Warm blooded, cold blooded, poikilothermic or ectothermic animals. Okay, so as you know, the answer is your warm blooded animals like your mammals, bear, tiger, lion, all those things. Okay, then coming to the second questions, these mammals belongs to which category? You see options are warm blooded, homeothermic, endothermic and all of the above. So what is the answer? These things we already have discussed, warm blooded, yes or no? But now coming to this homeothermic, you know homo means they can maintain a constant body temperature. Again same thing. Endo means they will depend upon the endo, that means inside physiological process to maintain the temperature. Again same thing. So here the answers will be your all of the above. All options are correct. Then coming to the next question, insects belongs to which group? Cold blooded or poikilothermic or ectothermic? Actually the answer is all of the above, because these are nothing but the synonyms of cold blooded animals or having actual and equal meanings. Okay, so insects are cold blooded, poikilothermic, ectothermic animals. Okay, so your answer is option D. Then fourth number question is animals which maintain body temperature slightly above their atmospheric temperature. Okay, so that belongs to which group? And the answer is your socio-homeothermic animals. Okay, as you know, these are the socio-homeothermic, that means somewhat they can maintain the colony temperature, nest temperature, but they cannot maintain their body temperature. But due to their social activity, they can maintain a constant colony temperature. Those are your honeybees, that is your socio-homeothermic animals. Okay, example is honeybees. Next question is this zone of optimum or normal development, what is the temperature range of that? Okay, answers is you see 10 to 35 degree centigrade. Next one is your, you see next question is if an insect is given a choice to move along a temperature gradient, it prefers a narrow limit of temperature range, that is known as, options are your temperature preferendum, preferred temperature, both A and B and thermal constant. What is the answer? Answer is temperature preferendum, again preferred temperature, all are same. Okay, so the answer will be your both A and B. Okay, then ability of an insect to withstand the lower temperature, what is the terminology of that? Options are your hibernation, estivation, cold hardiness and cannibalism. This is not the answer. Okay, so what is the answer? Ability to withstand the lower temperature, that is your cold hardiness. Okay, they have some cryo-protective compounds due to which what will happen, they will prevent the formation of ice crystal so that they can withstand the totally freezing temperature. Okay, now related question is example of cryo-protective compounds. Examples, options are your glycerol, sorbitol, erythritol and all of the above. So what is the answer? Glycerol, polyols, okay, the sorbitol and erythritol, that is your sugars. Actually all are cryoprotective compounds. So your answer is option D. Then one more terminology, total heat energy required, how much heat is required to complete a certain stage of development. You can tell a certain stage of development or a specific physiological process. Okay, for that how much constant temperature is required. Okay, what is the term related to that? Your options are thermal constant, cold hardiness, constant, zone of fatal high temperature. This is not the answer, we know. This is not the answer also. Cold hardiness recently we have discussed. So the answer is your thermal constant. Constant temperature required to complete a specific process. It may be a stage, it may be a process, whatever it may be. Okay, that is your thermal constant. Then what is the unit of thermal constant? Options are degree centigrade, degree Fahrenheit, day degree, none of the above. So what is the answer? Day degree. Okay, day degree is the unit of thermal constant. One more terminology, that is your the amount of development produced or occurred in a given unit time by increasing the 1 degree centigrade. That means if you increase 1 degree centigrade, then how much extra development is produced in an organism? That is known as what your, which one? Options are thermal constant, cold hardiness, constant and developmental unit. What is the answer? Developmental unit. What is the formula for developmental unit? That is your U equals to T by NT. So the question is, what is the meaning of this U, T and NT? Okay, you see the options and the right answer is your this option A. Okay, that means U means developmental unit, T means total development and NT means thermal constant. Okay, that is your answer. Understood? You should not make it wrong. Okay, just be very specific to those terms. Okay, these are highly important. Now coming to, you see a period of suspended activity in individuals occurring during seasonal low temperature. That means what? During low temperature, when the insect will undergo some suspended activity, that is known as hibernation or estivation. If low temperature, that is your hibernation, and if that will be higher temperature, that will be your estivation. Understood? If low temperature, hibernation, if high temperature, that will be your estivation. This cold hardiness and cannibalism we already have discussed. Okay, now you see this hibernation and estivation, they comes under which zone? Okay, you see respectively. Okay, first should be hibernation, second should be estivation. In the last two questions I have told you, hibernation means low temperature, estivation means high temperature. So what is the order? Here that is high and low, and here that is low and high. So what is the answer? Hibernation is low, estivation is high. So your answer is option B. Okay, so I hope you understood. Kindly suggest if any other things can be improved so that we will work on that. Thank you. Have a nice day.